G'day gentlemen. Today I'm working at the Shire Olympic on the litter bin truck. As you can see, it's about a 2000 model Iveco Acco 2350G with a 15 cubic metre compaction system body on it. And we also do the requests for missed pins, etc, etc. At the moment, as you can see, the lifter is broken on this one. So instead of doing, hang on, go turn the PTO on. Yeah, so instead of doing what she normally does, it's broken. So instead of doing this, that arm is completely shit, so it just hangs off doing nothing. So yeah. So I've got to do it like that. Alright, and that's about it, mate. Alright, upload it soon, mate.